On the slopes of Mount Elgon, a fragile ecosystem faces threats from deforestation and climate change. Metige, in partnership with local communities, is restoring 108 hectares of degraded land in Mount Elgon National Park.
Nganeza kisali kikina yeba kiriyo kira yeba kiriko mutawanada zisolo zirimo nenya kasera kola kisali kino kina abantu bakinjiramo bakigulawo bakitema Metige nga yezire batandika likusomesa kuambagana kisali.
Relations between UWA and the community were once tense. But through dialogue facilitated by Metige, communities now understand the importance of protecting the park.
Previously you would call a meeting and the attendance would be very poor. But right now you call a meeting, you will see very many people attend in hundreds. They are now able to report even illegal activities.
Through sustainable land management practices, farmers dig trenches to reduce soil erosion and retain moisture in their soils.
Vitu byesi naiga kuona itaka lyolima mu mikutu. Kindi wabyarako gusara na egwale dazima nzozaboneka bulayi. Abe franga yakubire ikuyali itaka lyose yayira.
The search for firewood once drove deforestation. Today, Lorena stoves reduce firewood use by 60%, easing pressure on the park.
Maiga gokuza kulenda ko batunga kabalukuza mu kisali kubangeta kabanga wangala kabalusanzu lonyene ubanga ukoko salukulo kina lonyene ubagal kukusevinga koziko kegana batu babusajja nabi kisali kubanga kawo maiga galukuyira ziku nabinga byaba kale kalikina dawa.
Metige trains and equips farmers in modern beekeeping, helping them earn income while protecting forests.
Aba mubuki bwesindazi cyo abimutano sayika no kwanena kuri kubuki cyo 10 kunyalisa kufuna miliyoni ate still unge kuirosa kufuna liso maliyoni no kikusubya kuti angebaza konja amisinga jende nikudabuki ni kwamuzi cyo vili.
Seed funding supports women and youth to start businesses, save and plan for the future.
Bakufaninga mapesi genegesi bakwa senagula mweka afyesi. Bangane bonange kafu indeda mukusomesa abana indeda mugula migunda ni mukola ko vitu bindi.
Today, a new spirit of coexistence is growing between people and park stewards. This project is restoring the land, strengthening livelihoods, and building a greener future for all.